So customers and our Restoration One owners and their technicians do forge a great relationship, and that's really evidenced in the 15,000 five-star reviews that we've seen for our brand on Google.
Jessica Westcott, CEO of Stellar Service Brands. I've been with Restoration One since 2022. Restoration One was started by a Hungarian immigrant in 2009 who had a water loss in his home and discovered a really interesting business opportunity.
The Restoration One brand has evolved in so many ways over the last few years. It's been so exciting. This brand has so many things that really differentiate it in the market.
I love it when people want to know how Restoration One is different from the other competitors in our marketplaces. And one of the things that really drew me to this brand myself was that we are America's largest independent network. And that means that we serve our local communities and we show up who we are as a neighbor to our customers every single day.
The one thing that set us apart on Restoration One was the fact that they cared about us succeeding and less about the money. A lot of the other ones were, we want to know your financials before we even talk to you. And Restoration One wanted to get to know us before we even talked about any type of dollars.
Restoration One creates a legacy of showing up and showing up well, focusing on customer service, and this idea of true partnership with our neighbors and our community.